Welcome back, guys. And this is MI phone and MI Xiaomi 11T Pro phone. And in this video, I'm going to tell you some sound settings. Means how to turn off sound for any particular charging sound or screen sound, that clicking sound which is come, and some more insights in the sound system of my phone. So if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much effort time, just first thing I wanted to tell you, suppose the hard buttons volume up down, this is for volume up and this is for volume down, is not working, then what? And at that time you need to control the volume, you need to put the volume down or up. Then what you will do at that time, just swipe down this, and here you can see that from here you can pull it up and down sound. Means if your screen is working, then from here you can control your volume. So this was the first I wanted to tell you. This is for MI user interface 14. And suppose you are taking screenshots, click sound, this click sound is coming, this click sound is coming. Or if you are taking this photo, some sound is not coming and you want here sound and you want there not sound, these settings how can be adjust? So for this, what we need to do, just we go to the setting, and here we will go to the sound and vibrations, and then we will go here. Many settings are there. We can adjust the volume level from here, ringtone, alarms, and then we can activate the silent mode. But for that we will go for additional setting, and here we can adjust any. Suppose this click sound has come, and then we tap it off, play sound while taking screenshot. Now it will not come. So from here we can, for tapping sound, suppose we are tapping it on, then when will we tap on the screen, then that tuck sound will come. So I am putting it off. And if we are uninstalling any app, then if you want to hear the sound, we will tap it on, or otherwise we will put it off. Okay, if you are want to hear a sound while deleting an item, then we will put it on, otherwise we will put it off. If we want to hear the sound when we connect the charger to the phone, then we will put it on, otherwise we will put it off. These are the some settings I wanted to tell you. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.